It's a beautiful day. God so great that He is giving to us. Grabe Lord, thank you so much to all of us talaga. You are the best. Thank you to you, all of my subscriber, to all my viewers, to all my supporters in my channel, to all some bloggers that you are helping from the beginning until now. And thank you very much talaga. You know who you are. Thank you very much talaga. That you are still now supporters of my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mga host ko sa some blogger that I'm connected with them and they are connected also to my channel. And you know who you are, individual of you. You know who you are. Thank you very much talaga. That you are still willing and to support my channel. Thank you to my God's channel. Thank you very much talaga. And shout out to all nationwide, worldwide, to all different countries, to all subscriber of mine, and to all different countries in this world, and to all people in this world, and to all viewers, to all ano ba yan? Ang dami naman ding to all to all subscriber, to all supporters, and to all of us. You are not watching, or you are watching to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Some of viewers kasi of my short videos and to my regular videos. I wish that if you are watching also from the bottom of my heart, you can subscribe my channel. Okay? And this one, Celine yesterday when she come from the picnic, from some activities in her school, she give this one to me. She make it, okay? Oh, resourceful yan. That's what she do. I give for you daw, sabi niya. Ate Grace, I give this one for you, ate. I give this one for you, oh, you see? Thank you very much, Sisi. Thank you, Madam. Thank you very much, Madam, to your to all of your friends that they are also supported to my small YouTube channel. Thank you talaga, Madam. Thank you very much that it's coming back normal. Thank you, and thank you very much talaga. With your family and to the family all of Sir, to all that belongs to Madam, to all that I still love to my Madam, as also to your supporters. God will be provide everything, whatever they need in the daily works. Okay, so thank you very much talaga. And not only to all of us, to my family side, ni nanay, ni tatay, sa Philippines, and my brother, to my in-laws, to my niece, mga apo-apo sa tuhod, angkan to angkan. Thank you very much that you are also still supported of my channel. You support or no, as of what I'm telling always, that you are the part of my journey, and that is already in my life, in my videos talaga. So thank you very much also. Sa hometown ko, I wish that you can subscribe me if you watch in this one in the YouTube company, in the YouTube channel, or in the YouTube apps in the YouTube. Hello YouTube company, hello YouTube all staff and workers, thank you that you are giving the best also for your work, that isipin mo, just imagine nationwide and worldwide that you are still workers, still working pala. Hindi ko na maka-pronounce in a good. Thank you very much. So what I'm telling, that is generalized already to all my angkan, both side, that one in the different countries that they are belong, they stay, you are working there. So mga friends ko, mga kababata ko there, so keep safe, and God provide also everything of us, diba? To all of us talaga, to all of us. Ayan na si Chris. Now is 3:30 na, nag-fix ako para sa lunchbox ni Celine. Okay. Kaya thank you very much. Some of the, it's 4 o'clock already na pala. If you are not if you are not mentioning, or I cannot, because I cannot ask, but I'm always telling that not all of us that I can shout out individual of you, but that is already including in my nationwide, in my worldwide, in the all peoples in this world, or in the different countries. So you are already the part of my journey in my channel, in my YouTube channel. And you subscribe or not, to all bloggers in the social media, and to all mga another, what's that back, mga company, basta all of us na. All of us that we are still living in this world. Thank you very much. God bless us all. God provide everything, whatever we need. Keep safe wherever we are, and still love. Just give love to all of us, to individual of us, especially kasi to the families, both side talaga yun. So all failurities, all sickness, just pray to God, because God knows everything, all, and He is the best. All of us talaga, all among of us. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. Thank you, and I'm very proud. I'm just make talaga to make a video this one, because this one is part of my journey. This one is part of my channel, and part of all viewers and subscribers and supporters of mine. So thank you very much talaga. And I to some talaga, some of my blogger that I'm connected, not all that I'm connected, but some of them from the beginning until now, that you are still supported of my channel. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. And bye. God bless us all. Bye. Happy Wednesday to all of us. Yun na yun. Kasi masaya at happy. Hindi yan maganda yung ano ni madam.